First aid equipment. Adhesive bandage. Adhesive bandage. A small sticky band used to cover minor cuts or scrapes.
She put an adhesive bandage on her hand after the cut.
Bandage. Bandage. A strip of material used to bind a wound or support an injury.
The doctor wrapped a bandage around her arm.
Burn gel. Burn gel. A cooling gel used to relieve pain and protect burned skin.
Apply burn gel immediately to the burn area.
Cold pack. Cold pack. A pack that becomes cold when activated, used to reduce swelling.
He used an ice pack for the pain in his leg.
First aid kit. First aid kit. A box or bag containing medical supplies for emergencies.
Every car should have a first aid kit.
Gauze pad. Gauze pad. A small piece of sterile fabric used to cover wounds.
Put a gauze pad on the cut to stop the bleeding.
Gloves. Gloves. Protective hand coverings used to prevent infection.
Always wear gloves when treating wounds.
Hot pack. Hot pack. A pack that becomes hot when activated, used for muscle pain.
He used a hot pack to relieve his back pain.
Resuscitation mask. Resuscitation mask. A mask used to safely give rescue breaths during CPR.
The lifeguard used a CPR mask to save the drowning victim.
Splint. Splint. A device used to keep a broken bone or joint stable.
They used a splint to support his broken leg.
First aid vocabulary helps us communicate clearly in emergencies. Knowing the equipment, like bandages, gauze, and CPR masks, can save lives. Thanks for watching.